guys, we are here for another educational video. To those who are new to this channel, by the way, I am Professor Haggard na tumutulong sa mga students who are having a hard time creating their research. And for now, I am going to present to you a simple video about characteristics of research. Sana magustuhan nyo, although it's just a simple video. And sana to those who think that this video is helpful sa ginagawa nilang research, please do not forget to click like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated sa mga video o mga videos pa na gagawin ko in the soonest time possible. And sorry nga pala na medyo masamang pakinggan yung boses ko even throughout the video because gamit na gamit talaga yung boses ko during these times, and kaya nga din medyo matagal makapag-upload ng mga videos for this channel. And so that's it, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're here again and we are going to discuss, without further ado, we're going to discuss about characteristics of research. So this will be all about talaga, wala nang iba. This will be about characteristics of research. So in Tagalog, mga katangian ng pananaliksik. Okay, so I thought na gumawa ng simple video about, although this is just a simple lesson about characteristics of research. But I thought kasi pagkatapos kong ma-discuss ang lesson na ito along with the process of research, I thought na medyo marami yung katangian, marami yung mga characteristics ng research. So I made this video so that I can still assist you in remembering itong mga characteristics of research. And let us start. So ano nga ba yung mga characteristics of research? So the characteristics of research, first is yung critical, and then the second one is analytical, okay, and then logical, methodical, cyclical or cyclical, objective, clear, replicable, empirical, accurate, timely, original, and lastly, relevant. So these are characteristics, all of these are characteristics of research. And yun na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, I'm pretty sure na mahihirapang i-enumerate kahit sinong students lahat na ito, itong mga characteristics of research na to. So for me to help you in remembering this one, I created an acronym for this characteristics of research, and this is the acronym that I came up. So the acronym should be CAM, co-creator. Okay, so this acronym, since this is an acronym, it stands for those different characteristics of research or yung mga katangian ng research. Alright, so what is this CAM, co-creator? So ito yun. So yung C is for critical, A is analytical, then L, logical, then M, methodical, and letter C, cyclical, O, objective, C, clear, R, replicable, E, empirical, A, accurate, T, timely, O, original, R, relevant. Alright, so yun yung CAM, co-creator. Alright. Okay, so if we are going to count those characteristics na i-discuss natin, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 characteristics yung magiging lesson natin. So we are going to explain this characteristics one by one as we go on with this lesson, and we are going to begin now. So ano nga ba yung critical. Okay, but before that, remember, so yung acronym na nagawa natin out of this 13 characteristics of research, we have COM, co-creator. So again, C is for critical, A is analytical, L is logical, M methodical, C cyclical, O objective, C clear, R replicable, E empirical, A accurate, T timely, O original, and lastly R relevant. All right, so let us proceed to what is critical. Okay, critical, it involves objective analysis and evaluation to achieve precise judgment. Okay, so di ba pag it comes from the word critic, di ba? Critical, if I'm not mistaken. So from the word critic, di ba? So when you critic, you judge, meaning when you say research, it involves objective analysis. You actually analyze the information, evaluate the information, the phenomenon, so that you can come up with a precise judgment, a precise decision, conclusion. Okay, so that is critical. And the next one from the acronym COM, co-creator, so we'll have letter A. So letter A is analytical. So dahil in research, it involves also careful analysis, kaya analytical or analytical skill. Okay, this is necessary in order to draw conclusions to explain why something happened or how it came to be. So napakalinaw. So that is analytical kasi kinakailangan i-analyze natin. Kinakailangan meron tayong skill sa pag-analyze. Nang sa ganun, makagawa tayo ng conclusion. Maayos na conclusion. Actually, all of these characteristics are related to each other but are in the same, in one way or another, are also different from one another. All right, so we're done with 2, and the next is logical. So what is logical? So logical, this is the research is based on valid procedures and principles that adheres to the rules of logic. Kaya sa logical. So as you apply the process of research, of course, you're also guided with the rules of logic. Guided ka na yung bagay na hindi gawin, dapat hindi mo talaga gawin, at yung mga bagay na dapat gawin ay yung dapat mong gawin. You have your logic. You can apply the rules of logic as you proceed to the conduct of research. And the next one is methodical. Okay, so from the root word method. Okay, siyempre kasi meron kang pina-follow na method or it follows systematic procedure. Ang research ay nagfa-follow ng systematic na procedure in order to acquire needed data, yung mga information. Makukuha mo lamang yun, yung mga information, yung tamang information if you are following systematic procedures. Okay? So step-by-step procedure yung ginagamit if you are going to conduct a research. Kaya tinatawag siyang methodical. Alright? So I hope that is clear. So we're done with the acronym COM. Okay? COM. So tapos na yan. So we are on. The next letter is letter C. Okay, letter C is cyclical. Alright? So cyclical, it follows a process which starts with a problem and ends with another problem. So from the word cycle, di ba? From the word cycle. So paulit-ulit yung nangyayaring process. So that's why it's cyclical. So, of course, kapag sinabi kasi natin research, it's a problem-based na activity. It's a problem-based na gawain. Okay? So, kaya it starts with a problem and ends with another problem because every time we answer a question, another question na naman ang lalabas, di ba? So, that's why it's called cyclical. And the next one is objective. Bakit so objective? Because it assumes that a truth is already existing and it is the researcher's task to discover it. So objective, meron kang goal Okay? Meron kang goal kasi as a researcher, kapag gumagawa ng research, speaking about research, as a researcher, you already have assumptions na merong dapat kang matuklasan about a particular thing, about a particular situation. That's why there is a goal for you as a researcher to discover that truth. Alright, so that is objective. Okay, so we're done with co. Okay, so the next letter should be letter C. Okay, clear, it stands for clear. So key messages and purpose are well presented, and also keeping in mind to always use simple, direct, concise, and appropriate words. So when doing research, because it's part of the characteristics of research, hindi gumagamit yung research ng mga words na hindi na dapat nilalagay. Okay, it should be formal, di ba? Dapat formal, kaya appropriate words yung ginagamit, concise, tama. Okay, direct. Okay, direct to the point, simple. As much as possible, it should be simple na mauunawaan ng kahit na sinong babasa. Okay, as much as possible. So, kasi yung research pa lang, yung word na research, mahirap na. Ano pa kung gagamit ka ng mga words na napakahirap na intindihin. So, one of the characteristics of research, hindi kinakailangan maging napaka-hirap ng mga term or terms na gagamitin. So, you should be using simple words. Alright, so that is clear. Okay, it should have clarity. And the next one, of course, is letter R, which is replicable. Ano yung replicable? So, this is replicable. So, obtaining consistent results across studies meant to answer the same problem using new information or other new scientific statistical methods. Okay, yun yung replicable. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinabing replicable, kinakailangan unang-una consistent yung results mo across studies. Ibig sabihin, matatawag lang natin kasi na successful yung ginagawa nating research kung ang mga results ng mga researches, of course, or yung research na ginagawa mo, you are able to repeat it and then you will obtain yung consistent na results. To give you an example, for example, you are creating a new vaccine, di ba? Kinakailangan dumaan to sa paulit-ulit na proseso na kung saan nagpapakita ito ng consistent na results na talagang nakakapagpagaling ito ng virus, for example. That is replicable. That is what we mean when we say replicable. Alright, so that is one of the 13 characteristics of research that we are discussing now. And the next one is letter E. So, empirical. So, acquire information based on observation, experience, and experiments. Okay, so, isa sa mga katangian ng research ay kinakailangan ang ating nakukuhang data, information, are based sa ating observation or experience or experiments. Okay, from experiments, pwede ding na-experience ng research, nakikita niya, observation. So this is what we mean with the term empirical. Okay, and the next one is accurate. Kinakailangang accurate. Ano bang dapat na ano bang ibig sabihin na kailangang accurate? So capable of reaching the intended or exact target information and or results. Alright? So, kinakailangan capable yung ating ginawang research, kinakailangan nakuha talaga natin yung information na gusto nating makuha. Okay? Accurate. So, it will take us back to the discussion about reliability and validity. Okay? So, accurate. Kinakailangan yung mga information or results na gusto natin, dapat talagang makuha natin, capable yung research natin na napapakita natin na talagang nakuha natin yung intended or exact target. It could be information, or results, or both yung information and results. Alright, so malapit na tayong matapos. So we are on letter T. Letter T, timely, stands for timely. So, topic and information na pipiliin natin when we are going to conduct research must be available, syempre naman, and accessible at present times. Okay, that is timely. Kinakailangan available yung mga data. And even the topic also should be available and accessible. And of course, kapag sinabi natin timely, talagang napapanahon. Kaya tinatawag siyang timely. In Tagalog, napapanahon. And on letter O is original. Okay, so we have, if I'm not mistaken, we have two letter O, di ba? Sa acronym na ginawa natin, COM, co-creator. So letter O is original. Anong ibig sabihin kapag sinabing original? So output and topic must be fresh and new, and the researchers must ensure not to repeat what another researcher has done before. Okay? Kung ang ginagawa natin, kung napili nating research ay nagawa na ng iba, wag na po tayong gumawa because it's not already original. Hindi na po original. So there's no use doing something na nadiskubre ng iba. Di ba? Let's just say, for example, kung nadiskubre na ng iba kung paano gumawa ng kuryente, wag na po nating idiskubre kung paano gumawa ng kuryente. Except if you have another idea on how you can create electricity. Okay? If you have another way, so you can do it. Pero kung ganun din namang proseso yung gagawin, so do not do a research because the research itself, it involves na kinakailangang original. Okay? So, output and topic must be fresh and new. Okay? Remember not to repeat what another researcher has done before. Okay, so let us proceed to letter R, which is the last characteristics that we are going to discuss today. Relevant. Kinakailangang relevant, especially yung topic ng ating research. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng relevant in another term? It should be important. So, pag tatanungin tayo ni sir or ni ma'am, sino bang professor, what is relevant? What is the other term of the word relevant? It is, its synonym is important. Okay? The topic must be important. That, in a way, it must contribute in improving current society, such as solving problems affecting the lives of people in a community. The perfect example of this right now is yung paggawa ng vaccine against the virus, against the pandemic na nai-experience natin ngayon, di ba? So if you could create a vaccine as fruit of your research, then it is of course relevant, di ba? Matatawag nating relevant because it contributes in improving current society. Okay? And that is the topic about characteristics of research. And I hope na makatulong itong simple video natin, although it's just a very simple lesson, but still, I wanted to do this not only for my students in Practical Research 1 in this semester, but also to all of you guys who are still supporting my YouTube channel. And I hope na hindi po kayo mapagod sa kakasubaybay, although napakahirap na para sa akin na mag-upload ng video at least once a week because talagang hectic din yung schedule ko. But still, I wanted to say thank you sa lahat na nagsusuporta and all of your messages na hindi ko na ma-replyan because talagang ang dami din talaga. So I'm really sorry about that. So, but for now, I hope na lang to be with you again next time with another educational video. And this is Professor Haggard saying God bless and stay safe. And also, please do not forget to please click like and subscribe. And for more videos like this, don't forget to click that notification bell for you to be updated sa mga next videos pa na gagawin ko. Even if it's just a simple discussion like this characteristics of research. That's it, guys, and See you again next time. Bye-bye!